Happy New Year, everyone. I am so excited to be starting out this video and the start of 2022, you guys. I have huge goals in 2022 as far as my business. Definitely number one is helping you. That is why I created the Keto Coach Janet Greta website. You will see that in the description, but I wanted to just go over a few things, the highlights of 2021, and definitely take note of all the good things that have happened in the year rather than focusing on the negative. Let's focus on the good things that happened throughout the year. I started my YouTube channel in August of 2020, and at that time my goal was just to share my story. I didn't know where it would take me, to be honest, but definitely YouTube has been the highlight for 2021. I ended up getting monetized in April of 2021, and monetized just means that you have enough subscribers and watch hours in order to make money from your videos. And I was putting a lot of work into my videos, even from like August to April of 2021. Jimmy can even contest to that. So I feel like, my hard work was definitely paid off, and it does make a difference when you actually do get some sort of funds in order to create these videos every day. I know it may seem like fairly easy work, which I thought, honestly, I'll be the first to admit it, I honestly thought that YouTube would be very easy to do. You just literally record yourself and upload it. No, there is so much more that goes into a YouTube video. Everybody kind of has their own preferences and how they do their videos. And with me, I have said before, I like taking the time in my videos to properly edit them, tell a story, kind of skip over the non-important stuff or speed up when I'm baking, because I feel like that's just kind of wasted space. A lot of YouTubers do that, and I feel like it's just kind of to get more out of like the whole video, because if you do a 45 minute video, you do have the opportunity to get more commercials in your video. I like to stay around the 20-minute mark, therefore I get one commercial, and that's how we get paid. We get paid from the commercials that you see in our videos, but I do not take my videos and do a long drawn out video. That is not my style, and I don't prefer to watch that either. So I tend to just kind of keep it around the 20-minute mark. Sometimes it goes longer, shorter, but definitely I think 20 minutes is a good amount of time for you to watch a video instead of skipping over the whole entire thing, and let alone only watching like 5 minutes of a 40-minute video because it's just too long. So that was one huge milestone that I made, was getting monetized. So thank you. And also that was a huge milestone for me. Another huge milestone for me is when I hit 5,000 subscribers. This summer I ended up hitting 5,000 subscribers, and it was amazing. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys is what has made this channel successful, and I do thank you for that. My next goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers, so please keep on sharing my videos. I really want to get there in the year of 2022. That is definitely my number one goal going into this year. So that would be great if you can share my videos, and thank you for so much for sharing my videos, hitting all those leaving all those comments. It really does help my channel grow. Also, another thing that happened this summer is I did end up starting a part-time job at Winners. So Winners is like a TJ Maxx in the States, but during COVID, my regular job where I was getting 32 hours, it definitely slowed down and decreased, and our hours decreased to like 12 hours a week. So I did have to find another job at the end of 2020. And since I got monetized in April of 2021, I was then making money from YouTube, and then in turn that summer, actually in July, I was able to then quit Winners because I was getting supplemented income through AdSense, which is through YouTube. So that was really exciting because I was working pretty much every day. I know that I would go through stints of like working 20 days in a row, or I would have to work both jobs. I would work an 8-hour shift at the Canucks. After that, I would go then to Winners to work a 4 or 6-hour shift just to kind of make ends meet. But now, thanks to you guys and me getting monetized on YouTube, it has tremendously helped me. My next goal in 2022 is to make YouTube a career. So my goal for 2022 is definitely to make YouTube a career. I love it so much. It's definitely a passion of mine. It does not feel like work to me. I enjoy it so much. Then came August and I decided that I was going to be starting the protein sparing modified fasting. And I had still 20 pounds of regain from Christmas of 2020 that I had regained after hitting my goal weight. And I started the protein sparing modified fasting and I wasn't sure how I was gonna do because I was trying a lot of things up to that point and it just wasn't sticking. But I ended up trying it and I was successful doing it. I lost that 20 pounds of regain, which I was thrilled about. And you know, that was definitely a highlight for me because weight loss has always been a struggle. It seems I always get down to my goal weight and then a year later I gain it back and more. And so that definitely was a highlight for me in 2021 that I could kind of monitor that and not let it go past gaining like the 20-pound mark, because in the past that has definitely happened. So that definitely was a highlight for me as well. And then of course we had the month of November. It was hunting season. We had our biggest hunting season yet as far as Jimmy butchering, even hunting ourselves. Our workshop was full of venison. We hunt for elk and deer, and we also butcher for family and friends. And it was very busy. It was crazy busy. It was definitely the most successful year for our hunting. So we have actually 2 full freezers, well 3 including the one that's filled with our pork because we have butchered a pig as well too this past year. But now all 3 of our freezers are full of venison and pork, and the only thing that we buy is just chicken. So yeah, definitely a highlight. You know, we are so grateful for that. We don't take it for granted. Hunting to us is not a sport. It's actually to provide for our family. And you know, we are able to provide for our family of 4. We have 2 older kids that we do give venison to as well, and it just benefits everybody. So we are so grateful for a successful hunting season. And then came along December, and oh boy, that was crazy. That was a very busy month for me, to say the least. I decided that on my birthday, which was December 17th, that I would launch my website. So I had done 6 months in the work, in the making of this website. I created meal plans. I created an e-recipe book. I created Janet Greta merch. I did it all prior to that, like about 6 months time leading up to this moment. And I thought that my birthday would be a great time to launch that website, and it was amazing. You guys blew me away. I am so grateful that I literally have the best subscribers. You guys have bought my ebooks. I have 4 clients already, and it has just really taken off. And thank you so much, right? Like, this is literally living out my dream. And especially at 45, I'm really shocked and surprised with myself that I am able to do YouTube, like upload a video, like the technical part of things, to upload a video and edit it, also to create an e-recipe book, to create meal plans, to create a website, and to figure out and design my own merch. Like, I have accomplished so much in 2021. And not only that, all of my friends and family are all healthy and alive and are here for another year. We had such a successful Christmas. It was the best Christmas to date. There are so many things to be grateful for in the year 2021. However, I am ready for a new year, and I'm ready to set some goals for myself. So some just kind of light goals that I think of right now that I really want to pursue for the year of 2022 is I want to downscale my 9 to 5 jobs and spend more time on YouTube, whether that's going like from 32 hours down to 16 hours or what have you. I really want to work on that so that I can spend more time on YouTube, more time with my keto meal plans that I have offered. I just want to spend more time on YouTube and helping you achieve your goals, your weight loss goals, and for you to be successful just as I was, losing over 100 pounds. And also too, I really would like to take a trip in 2022. Jimmy and I had both said that no matter where the world is at, in April of 2022, we would be going to Vegas. So that is still, set, but I don't want to say it's set in stone. because there is so many variables going on in the world right now, and it just depends if we can still cross the border at that time. Because I am in Canada. So I'm hoping that we will be able to travel a little bit. Jimmy and I are actually huge travelers. We do a lot of traveling throughout the year, and that is one thing we have missed. In like 2 years, we haven't really done anything. We've gone to Banff a few times because of course our oldest daughter is working in Banff. But other than that, you guys, we really haven't done much and we are missing it. So I'm hoping 2022 will be the year that it will be open for travel. What else? And definitely staying within my weight goal. Weight is definitely important to me. That it's just, you know, I think the struggle is maintenance for me. I'm pretty good at losing. I'm really good at gaining, but maintenance has always been a struggle. And, you know, I strive for that year after year to maintain that maintenance goal. And that's definitely one of my goals going into 2022. I do have some regain from Christmas time. I have about 10 pounds, but guaranteed that weight will come off within the month for sure, because I guarantee you half of that is water weight. I still feel really puffy. I can tell in my definition, like in my cheeks and my chin structure and everything like that. But maintenance is definitely a goal that I will have probably every year. I want to know what your goal is in 2022. Let's just say one word in the comments. And, you know, to kind of sum it up, 1 or 2 words in the comments, what your goal is for 2022. Keep them positive. We definitely want to succeed this year in whatever sort of goals we have in mind. So let me know down below what your goal is for 2022. Thank you guys so much for joining me and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it so much, more than you will ever know. It lets me live out my dream. It lets me help people like you achieve their goals. And like I always say, if I can just help one person, I'm doing good in this world. So thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a like to let me know that you're liking my content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.